to work towards saving our environment. Thank you very much.
And now to share her interpretation, may we call on Lakambini number 1.
I'm kind of nervous because I don't think my answer is okay to share. And I'm thankful to the people who came to support me today.
They support you, always know that they support you because they believe in you. So believe in yourself and your answer.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, especially to our panel of judges. As an advocate for environmental sustainability, the picture depicts a problem that may result to a severe climate change, such as desertification. And at the end of the day, I always believe in sustainable living. So, together as a global community, we all need to take small steps towards building a cleaner, healthier, and sustainable world, not just for ourselves, but for the future generations. And I thank you.
Small steps, even the smallest of steps matter. Thank you very much, Lakambini number 1. And now,
And number 6 is about to showcase his